आपने कभी सोचा है अगर आपको -30 डिग्री के ठंडे पानी में कूदना पड़ जाए तो कैसे बचेंगे? आज के व्लॉग में मैं पहन रहा हूँ एक ऐसा ही वेटसूट जो नॉर्थ अटलांटिक ओशियन के आइस कोल्ड पानी में भी आपको सरवाइव करा देगा। सेफ्टी ड्रिल्स, शिप के अंदर का लाइफस्टाइल और मस्ती का ओवरडोज सब कुछ मिलेगा आज के वीडियो में। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं डे 4 एपिसोड 2 ऑफ विवेक जायसवाल व्लॉग्स आर्टिक सीरीज। कल बहुत सारे कांड हो गए हैं तो हम बस से उतर गए हैं तो हमको ऑलमोस्ट तो हम लोग आ गए आर्टिक के मॉल में। ऐसे टाइप की ड्रेस होते हैं जो यहाँ आज शायद एक तो यहाँ मैंने देखा। तो हम बस से उतर गए एंड ये वही डॉक है जहाँ पे हम कल आए थे, जहाँ पे एक थोड़ा सा एक पत्थर मारने वाला कुछ एक चीज़ हो रहा था कुछ लोगों को, उसके बाद गिफ्ट भी मिला था। एंड टीम पूरी आ गई है, उतर गए अपन ऑलमोस्ट 20 बंदे और एजुकेटर्स हैं। एंड वो जो दूर में है वो वाली अपनी बोट है, ये वाली कल आप देखे होगे, ये किसी और चीज़ की कार्गो शिप होगी शायद। वो जो दूर में मैं जूम करता हूँ थोड़ा सा, हाँ वो वाला अपना है। अब जो कि मेरा 360 तो गया हो गया, डेड हो गया, तो मैंने अपना गोप्रो सेटअप कर दिया। इन्होंने बोला कि हाथ में कुछ रखना नहीं है क्योंकि फर्स्ट एक्सपीरियंस है तुम्हारा ज़ोडिएक का, तो माइट भी वो उड़ जाएगा या फिर तुम गिर जाओगे। तो ये हो गया एंड ज़ोडिएक उधर पे है, वो आ रहा है। तो ये होता है ज़ोडिएक। हाँ that's not a gali. That's not a bad one.
Is it not? I thought
No.
it was. What is it?
Bande.
Yeah.
That's like bro. Like if it's like
bye. No. That's,
bande, if it's like let's say there are chaar bande, like 4 people.
oh, like people.
Yeah.
Bande.
Bande is people.
Yeah.
वहाँ बंदा है, something like that. They might be saying it, right? बंदा है वहाँ बंदा है.
Yeah.
Shoot.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's like people. Do you have to make it tight? It's only on one side, right?
Yeah.
Okay. तो वहाँ पे दूसरी एक बोट है और यहाँ पे एक बोट है।
So take your PFD, you're gonna put it right over there.
Yeah. Welcome. Hi.
Hey.
Missed you guys.
I know, but we're back.
Yeah. I was looking for you guys for the whole day.
Oh no, we just came. We're good. Yeah.
Hello.
Okay, follow.
Vivek.
Is that one person done?
I'm gonna take a picture.
Hello, Tara. Yeah.
Hi. Was that fun?
Oh yeah. First time.
Yeah. Fun, eh?
Yeah.
Okay, you follow.
Right. Manik, how was it?
Good, man.
Were you shooting all day here?
We were just setting the place up.
Oh, okay. And there?
Take a look inside. Walk around.
Thank you. तो मैं शिप के अंदर आ गया हूँ।
Upstairs and meet and do a drill up there. So you're just dropping your stuff at
Okay, right.
Okay, so last slide sequence I'm going to show these. I'm going to do, and when we're underway, you got to make sure to lock all this stuff because
Right, it will fall away. Okay.
So you're going to grab one of those bags and one of those, and then I'll show you where we're going.
Okay, right.
So just go ahead and do that.
Where do you want to go? Down or up? If you want to sleep down, you can sleep on that one. All these are empty, or you can sleep up here with me.
Yeah, I want something down.
You guys are all downstairs.
There's up
Yeah. And where are we keeping our bag? Just lying down anywhere, right?
Just put it on the bed or something.
Because I'm also claustrophobic in a way.
It's not that. It's not that. Not bad.
Hey, I wouldn't feel anything,
Man,
but
I'm
it's
hot.
like in the night. Not like that, but
Alright, we should.
yeah, little bit. So we have. Okay, yeah. So we have to grab one and one of these, right?
Okay, you guys got it? Follow
Yeah.
them.
Okay.
So right to the last in order.
तो शिप में पहुंच गए हैं, थोड़ा सा नीचे सामान वगैरह रखे, अपना बंकर पकड़ लिया हमने, 20 नंबर हमारा बंकर है। उसके बाद यहाँ पे थोड़ा सामान वामान लेके हम आ गए हैं। यहाँ पे गैदरिंग होने वाली है सबकी, थोड़ा सा ओरिएंटेशन टाइप का इन लोग थोड़ा बताएंगे, उसके लिए वेट करें। बाहर थोड़ा व्यू दिखाता हूँ आप लोग को मैं। थोड़ा सा आपको व्यू दिखाता हूँ साइड से। सो ये SOI फाउंडेशन का शिप हो गया एंड इकालुit सिटी वहाँ हो गई। एंड वो बोल रहे थे वो वाला जो वो है ना आइलैंड जो दिख रहा है आपको, वो पहले कल तक ये सबमर्ज था, बट अभी थोड़ा लो टाइड आया तो ये सब ऊपर आ गया। एंड उस साइड में आपको थोड़ा सा स्नो वगैरह दिखेगा वहाँ पे, अगर आप देख रहे होंगे। इन जनरल थोड़ी स्नो वहाँ पे नहीं है। या
One more time. 3, 2, 1. There it is.
I got a shower last night, a very long one, and one this morning.
Oh, there you go.
Taking in all the hot water.
Just went longer.
Did you guys notice how the shower glass was so small? Like all the water was going out.
Yeah, it was so hot. I've been in
I was trying to remove it, like move it. I thought it's a slider thing. I said no, man.
by the time you get out, it's what a terrible
I mean, it looks nice, but come on. It's
Like,
not
why
Yeah,
would
even
you do
just put
that?
like a little bit of a sliding door
Yeah.
or something.
It needed like, at least this much longer.
Yeah,
Yeah,
half a
it's
foot
like,
longer.
yeah.
It
Yeah.
would have been way better.
I know, because like I would go and like wash my hair, and my elbow would like drip
Yeah.
on the floor.
Yeah.
Shoot out, and I'm
Yeah, it
like,
would shoot off my shoulder. Yeah, it's going everywhere.
Of your phones we're connected to mobile data, we'll think that it's 5 p.m. because we're on the ship time. I'm just gonna keep going through my list to try a lot.
Today, multi-safety stuff that we have to do before travel to Nico anchor. There's maybe 2 things. We have this beautiful thing. It's called an immersion suit. I'm gonna go out, unravel it, and shoes come off, but everything else stays on. Get close over to the wall. That's pretty much what it is. How to get on, how to take off. All the way.
Oh. Okay.
And then the floor. And then this flat here goes. Oh wow. Let's go dancing.
Don't I make you feel something? Or maybe you can't feel anything.
This
I'm
again.
gonna give you everything.
And then this collar, it buckles onto itself. Back.
But I
squeeze on that side.
Yeah, that's the way to do it.